Hey friends, it's Dayna from Nellie DeeCee Crochet. Well, it is December, and you know how that is for crocheters. It's a busy time crocheting fun little Christmas gifts. These fun little owls hats are from Repeat Crafter Me, and it is a free pattern. This is a show and tell video, so I'm not teaching you how to make it, but I will put the link in the description. So I've made several hats, owl hats. Some of these are going to fly to Memphis for Christmas. Aren't these cute? This one is for my 6-year-old. Is he 6? Actually, I think he's 5. 5-year-old grandson. Whoopsie, come back here. 3-year-old grandson. This one is for their little baby brother. He is, I think, 9 months old. Ooh. And this one is for my granddaughter. She's 1.5 years in Fort Worth. Oh, she loves all things pink. Anyway, what I love about this pattern is I was able to use every bit of this except for the pink owl from my stash. So this was number 4 yarn. What is that? Aran or worsted. And very fast. Once you get the first one done, the rest of them just go really, really fast. So it has this cute beak and the eyes here with the main color in the background. And like I love his ears, hairy ears, and the braids at the end of the ear flap. It's very simple and just very doable, easy to work up. Just in time for Christmas. And what was I going to say? This one is cute. This yarn, most of the yarn is, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. So when I want to do a simple craft that with inexpensive yarn, I will run to Hobby Lobby. I like this interesting kind of, I can't think of what this is, but anyway, this gray with the little bits of pastel colors in it. I've got actually a couple more to make, but I'm well on the way to being finished. This one, wait a minute, it's this one. I had wanted to make his eyeballs look cross-eyed. I don't think I succeeded very well. Anyway, because I think it's fun to make the eyes look kind of goofy at times. But I just wanted to show you my most recent projects that I finished for Christmas, and you might want to do some too. I've done character hats for many years. And these owl hats, I can't believe I've never done an owl hat before, but these were the first. So check out Repeat Crafter Me website, and you can just do a search, and she's got very good instructions. Okay, well, happy crocheting and Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.